Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by making a complete medication inventory, so you always know what to pack and why each dose matters. Once done, request extended prescriptions or a clinician's letter that names active ingredients and dosages for airport or customs checks. Make sure original pharmacy bottles and clear labels accompany each drug. Additionally, photograph pill images and scan prescriptions to cloud storage. Begin assembling a clear carry-on organizer and small cool pack if any items need temperature control. This gets you moving immediately and avoids last-minute gaps. Next, split your supply between carry-on and checked luggage and prioritize the carry-on so you never lose access. Once divided, place daily doses into organized, labeled compartments while keeping original prescription bottles tucked nearby to prove authenticity. If any medication needs refrigeration, use an insulated pouch with gel packs and a thermometer strip. Otherwise, protect pills from humidity with desiccant. Make sure to separate liquids into TSA-compliant containers and declare controlled substances if crossing jurisdictions. That clarity prevents holdups at security or borders. Finish by double-checking airline and destination regulations so you know permitted quantities and documentation requirements. Once confirmed, store paper and digital backups of prescriptions, clinician letters, and a medication schedule in separate locations so a lost bag doesn't become a crisis. If something goes wrong, lost meds, confiscation, or a damaged vial, contact your prescriber for an emergency prescription. Locate a licensed local pharmacy. And if necessary, reach your embassy for assistance. Acting quickly is critical to avoid missed doses and health risks.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.